Well, thank you. As students are heading back to school, there is a whooping cough outbreak that has schools on high alert. It is very contagious virus that is especially dangerous for babies. Alabama Department of Health identified 9 kids that have tested positive for the disease. At least 22 others have symptoms. So we asked Dr. Amy Illescas with Total Care 280 to stop by this morning. And Doctor, there are a lot of people at home probably wondering the same thing. How serious is this outbreak?
Well, the size of the outbreak right now could explode, so it could be potentially really dangerous and very serious. Whooping cough is a very dangerous disease, and like you mentioned, the extremes of age, the very young and the very old are especially at risk, pregnant women as well. So parents do need to be very aware of what's going on.
Well, the health department confirmed cases at a number of facilities. Let's go ahead and put that up on the screen right now so people can see the list of places. As I said earlier, though, the very contagious virus, school is back in. You talked about the outbreak. How concerned are you about this actually spreading?
Well, you know, I'm concerned simply because a lot of the people who have come in saying they have symptoms say, I was exposed to a child who has definite symptoms, but the parent just called the doctor's office and they said it was probably nothing. So I think the most important thing is for parents to be the best advocate they can for their child. And even if you're getting some pushback from the physician's office, just be firm and let them know, I'd really feel better coming in and being checked out. That's your right as a parent.
Mm-hmm. You talked about the symptoms. I know a lot of educators are being educated about those symptoms. What are symptoms? What are the warning signs and the symptoms of whooping cough?
Well, you know, the runny nose, the cough, it sometimes can look like a little sinus infection or summer cold, and that's when you have to be careful because you might tend to blow it off and think, oh, it's allergies, it's nothing, and it can start out looking just like that. Mm-hmm. You usually are exposed, and then about 7 days later is when the disease process begins, and you can then go on and evolve into having really thick mucus that you produce, lots of drainage, especially in little kids. It affects their appetite. They don't want to eat or drink, so they dehydrate and get extremely sick. So if you see something that looks like a pretty severe cold or a bad sinus infection, you still need to be aware there's a chance.
Yeah, vaccinations provide some protection, but it's not perfect. What are your thoughts about vaccines?
Well, as a physician and a mom, I do strive to help other parents make good conscientious decisions about immunizing their children. There's a lot of controversy about that right now, but I think it's important to remember that these diseases can be deadly, and although vaccines aren't perfect, some of them don't provide lifelong immunity. This is one that is really important because it is so easy to catch and it is so prevalent in the environment. So I think this is one that you really need to give some thought to. Generally, in the state of Alabama, children are revaccinated with a booster before they enter 6th grade because some of the tendency for the immunity to fade away, and then usually every 10 years after that. Pregnant women also need to be vaccinated sometime after 27 weeks, and expectant fathers, grandparents, people who are going to be around young children because they don't receive their first full battery of this injection until they're 5 years old. Then the booster comes at 11.
All right, so there you have it from a doctor and also from a mom.
Yes.
Dr. Illescas, thanks so much for stopping by.
Thank you.
Always good to see you.
Thank you.